Hello, this is a video showing the installation process and authorization of Rose Task Manager. So the new scope that I'm looking to add is calendar. It's the one here. So its installation is partially completed, and I need to finish that off so I can create the triggers. Okay, the installation process is complete. The reason why it needs the calendar scope is because during the installation it creates a new calendar called Rose Task Manager, which I can show you. So it's this one here. And what the script does is every night it runs a trigger that reads in the events from the calendar. So it needs to create and needs to read and write. It then converts those events, scheduled events, into a task which goes into the task list. It needs a spreadsheet scope because it creates a spreadsheet and also creates a form. Just have a look at what other scopes I've got. So it sends emails, Gmail modify. It uses the draft email as a template to send emails, which you can see in the sidebar. So what it's doing here is it's reading in the email templates, the defaults. What scopes we've got. Okay, so that's the main one that shows you the calendar being used.